Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to use the Polygon Cut-Out Tool to omit areas within the area measurement in Revu 21. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the File menu and open your desired PDF to access measurements. Next, go to the Measurements panel, and alongside the area measurement at the top, click the drop-down and select the Polygon Cut-Out Tool from the available options. As you can see, we cannot apply Polygon Cutout to the plain PDF region. We have to find the area before applying the Polygon Cutout. Let's apply area measurement to this region. Watch our other video to see how to use area measurement in Bluebeam. Let's fill out the area measurement with the desired color and decrease its opacity to make the hidden PDF region visible. Use the Select tool from the navigation bar below. Then, hold the Shift key and click to drag the area label to your desired position. Let's consider we have to omit these regions from our area measurement. This is where Polygon Cutout comes into play. Go back to the Measurements panel and select the Polygon Cutout tool. As you can see, the Polygon Cutout is not working beyond the area measurements boundary. You can either mark individual anchor points to create a polygon or click and drag to make rectangular selections. Upon doing this, the selected cutouts will be removed from our area measurement. This helps us seamlessly remove unwanted areas from the selected area in one go. If you go to the markups list, you will not find any separate record for Polygon Cutout. Instead, you will find your area measurement left after the cutout. It simply works as final area equals area minus Polygon Cutout area. This incredible tool helps you cut unwanted areas from the whole area measurement instead of creating multiple areas to avoid unwanted spaces on your PDF. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam, digitizing construction since 2003.